Welcome back to another edition of Gareth's Unboxings. Today we got the munchpak. It's the replacement because they sent me like nearly out of the two boxes, probably about 20 in each boxes. It was like 13 items altogether. Or 13 items out of each, I can't remember. It was the same thing. 13 items the same. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got. First we got this, and there we got this. We got it made by Justin. So there we go, guys. And then you can have a free part, take a picture, share on social media using hashtag this, and then you can have a free box. So let's see, the first thing we got is some Flaming Hot Doritos, Batman vs Superman. Never seen these one before, never seen a packet like that before. There you go. They should be nice but hot. So let's get next thing we got. We got some like mints or something like that. Hamburgers with peanuts, like thing in there. Like peanut powder or something like that. Going. They should be nice. Let's see what else we got. We had something like this before in a different pack. It was very nice. It was like cheese onion flavor. I don't know what flavor this is. As in, maybe this thing made up Poland. We had them in the Poland. Then the Poland one was Universal Yums. Real cheese, onion ones, I think it was cheese and onion. Let's see. Don't say, guys. But it could be cheese, it could be spicy, it could be barbecue, it could be anything, really. Oh, we got some crackers. It looks like pepper and cheese. I'm not sure. So the peppers on it, red and green, and with cheese. So cracker sandwiches. They are nice. Oh yeah, it says pepper right by there. Hope I didn't miss that. They should be nice, kind of. What's this? Don't know what this is, guys. Don't read that. But whatever it is like a mold. Let's have a lot more. Let's see. Smells a bit like what's it called? Fig roll. It smells like figs. So it's kind of like a fig roll type thing. Alright, let me just tie this back on. Just like, okay. That goes now. And I think it's fig like spread or something like that in a pot. Nice China pot, but look, right there. Could have made better angles. Could have been made by a kid, actually. But it looks like it would be made by a kid. So, good for a kid. But if it was an adult work, laugh at the adult. But I think it's like a fake spread or something like that. Next thing we got is we got a dipper. Oh, yep, a dipper. It's like a lolly with dipper and go. It's got bits in it like those kind of things in there. So it's very nice. Oh no, it's not. It's a shovel, and you shovel it up with a like the shape bat, and then it's got like little bricks in it, so that's quite nice. I'll run it then before, but not that flavour one. And let's see what else we got. We got hot fries. So we got our hot crisps. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I love this one. I'm gonna eat this all to myself with a blue raspberry flavor, like licorice rolled up. They're very nice. Let's see what else we got. We got some candies or something like that. Yeah, we got some like hard candy with sauce. So with like jelly in the middle. This should be very nice. And let's see what else we got. We got like a biscuit. It looks like marshmallow and chocolate. Actually, it's what does it say by here? No. Hang on, guys. Let me see. It says honey made. So it says corn syrup, but yeah. But I don't know, it's like a biscuit with marshmallow and honey and chocolate. And I think I got a lot of thing in there. And what it is some like shoelaces, rainbow shoelaces. Yay! And then, let me just, that must be for that thing. Alright, let me just do this now. So, let me recap on what we got. We got Sour Patch. They like licorice. So we got what I think is fake, but I will search that name and see what it is. Give it a second, guys. Right, guys, all I can find is this Mexican candy, I think. And if you translate the big bold writing, it comes up something pot. Well, it comes up with the pot, something pot, right, whatever that says. Wrote the O, pot. But it's apparently it's Mexican candy and the spoon is for it, I think. We got the sour candy. We got pepper cheese crackers. We got sweets, hard candy. We got the crisps. We got the peanuts. Sweets. We got the licorice sour candy thing, candy roll. We got the hot fries. We got this, I think it's honey. It says honey by it, but it could be honey and cream, I think. But it says it's s'mores, so honey and s'mores. So it's like a marshmallow. And we got the flaming hot Doritos. So let's bring closer for you guys, and thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, more boxes will be on its way. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you didn't like this video, still give it a like. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, more boxes will be on its way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you want to, and don't forget to smash that share button. Ciao for now, guys. Bye.